Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we're making rasam and vada. Rasam is a popular spicy drink known to keep cold at bay, besides having a number of other health benefits. Vada, which is popularly eaten with rasam, is mostly deep fried. But today I will share a recipe which is very authentic, a rasam recipe and an oil-free non-fried version of vadas. Well spiced and so delicious. So let's make some rasam and vadas for a perfect quick lunch. To make rasam, let's pound some whole garlic along with black peppercorns. We are not peeling the garlic here, along with a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Hand pounding allows the flavor of the spices to release well. Alternatively, you could also pulse this mixture in the mixer. Once done, keep aside. In a blender, add 2 chopped whole tomatoes and pulse it lightly. We're looking for the bits to stay. Then we take a roomy bowl and add 2 tablespoons of seedless tamarind and crush it between our fingers, and it allows it to release acidity in the water. You could warm the water if you want to speed up the process. Add the blended tomatoes, salt as per taste, green chillies slit, water approximately 60 cups, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and mix well. In a roomy pan, add coconut oil or any oil of your choice, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, whole red chilies around 2 to 3 pieces, half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Give it a stir, then we add chopped onion and cook till everything releases flavor. Add the prepared tomato tamarind mixture and then boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. Garnish with chopped coriander to serve warm. To make the Medu Vadas, we will take 1.5 cup of split black gram and soak for 2 to 3 hours. Soaking them will soften them up and blending will become so easy. Also, soaking helps lentil in improved digestion. Blend these smooth without adding any water if possible. In a mortar, crush some whole black peppercorns along with curry leaves. Mix the blended lentils. In case you're liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. Add a cup of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of green chilies, a tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some crushed black pepper and curry leaves, and mix them all together. Add salt as per taste and coriander leaves for some flavor and mix so that you will find the lentils releases moisture. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of water and mix together so that everything is well incorporated. In a paniyaram pan, we grease the pan lightly with coconut oil, and then with the help of ice cream scoop, we pour spoonfuls of batter in each cavity. After filling each cavity, cover and cook at medium heat. These cook very easily within 5 to 7 minutes. Flip each side and cook till it's golden. Repeat till all the batter is used up. Cook on both sides and keep it warm. So here we have a warm bowl of spicy tomato rasam ready in minutes and so delicious. Perfect for winter when you are craving for something warm but want to keep those calories at bay. Now let's serve ourselves some homemade non-fried vadas, so soft and so spongy and packed with so much flavor. Enjoy these vadas as a snack with coconut chutney or serve it dipped in tomato rasam. It tastes so delicious. Low in calories, great in taste. These spicy, snacky vadas along with tomato rasam is a perfect combination for a hearty meal. Adjust seasoning for the kids or enjoy as it is. It's a perfect vegan gluten-free snack for you and for your family. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you like the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making. And in case you're liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share.